Let's reset my playroom and office, shall we? So I am 6 weeks postpartum, and this room got a little out of hand while I was recovering and not able to clean. So today we are fixing it. It is quite a disaster. There's toys everywhere. We got our Love Every subscription. My office desk is just in shambles. So now that I'm feeling a little bit better postpartum, let's tackle this together. Here we are. I organized that shelf, did a little toy rotation. I never think that I have enough space to store toys, but I'm just going for it. And I just have a box in that closet right there that I have the toys that I will be rotating. And my son has been obsessed with all of his toys since I did this. It actually does work. The people are not lying to you when they say that it does. I redid the kitchen area to make it a little bit more accessible for him because the other basket was overflowing. And it looks so much better and more functional now. I'm really happy with how this turned out. I am still working on my desk. I ran out of time before the babies needed me. Mom life, am I right? And then here's a closer look of the kitchen supplies. I just have all of his play food there. And that's what the top setup looks like. And down bottom here, we have all of the kitchen utensils and tools for him to get easily. And here is all the stuff I'm getting rid of: recycling, trash, and donations. Feels good to get rid of stuff and get a little organized postpartum. I'm reverse nesting here.